This short video explains external apps, also known as Learning Tools Interoperability, LTIs, the risks associated with LTI integration, and the process for requesting their implementation into the Canvas Learning Management System. LTIs are third-party software tools that enable the transfer of course and user information between Canvas and a specific service as needed. For example, student names, IDs, and grades can be sent from an audience response system like Poll Everywhere to the Canvas gradebook. Examples of platforms that have LTIs in Canvas include RedShelf, Gradescope, Zoom, and many more. It's important to be aware of the risks associated with using LTIs. LTIs handle sensitive data such as student names, IDs, and grades, which are transferred between the Canvas Learning Management System and the vendor system. Many different vendors create, manage, and maintain LTIs without any oversight or collaboration from SDSU. Therefore, there can be varying levels of security and accessibility. Additionally, please be aware that LTIs may use your user information in Canvas in order to function. Another consideration is that LTIs may not be accessible to all students, particularly those with disabilities. They can also potentially affect or disrupt course functionality in Canvas. Moreover, there are data vulnerabilities that could be exploited in an attempt to hack our systems. Because of these risks, LTIs undergo a software request process. During this process, security, accessibility, contractual terms, pricing, and purchasing are all evaluated. So, what are the steps in the software request process? Faculty or staff start by submitting a software request form through SDSU ServiceNow at sdsu.servicenow.com/sp. Go to Request a Service, then Teaching and Learning, and select Canvas. There you'll find the software request form, which must be completed first, followed by the Canvas External Apps LTI Integration Request form, which can be filled out once the request is approved, along with any relevant deadlines. Be sure to carefully review both forms and complete each one with all the information the team needs to process your request. Members of the ITS Software Request Group receive the request and serve as liaisons between the requester and the vendor, gathering information and determining which reviews are required. The proposed software is then evaluated by several campus groups, including Information Technology, the IT Security Office, Accessible Technology staff, and Contracts and Procurement. A recommendation is then made to either proceed or re-evaluate. If the software is approved, the requester then submits a Canvas External Apps LTI Integration Request form, which we referenced earlier in the video found on ServiceNow. System administrators then work with the vendor to implement the tool in Canvas. It is first tested to ensure proper functionality and then released broadly within SDSU's Canvas system. Please note that submission deadlines apply to ensure reviewers have sufficient time for evaluation, testing, and approvals. Requests submitted after the deadlines may not allow adequate time for review. And that's all there is to it. For IT support, visit the help resources available at it.sdsu.edu.